Hello folks, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I caught these beautiful sales that you see on NASDAQ. And I took this trade with my team, okay? These are real trades that we took with the team today on NASDAQ. Beautiful sales, great risk to reward. Now let me quickly show you the signal that I shared and the entry. So this was a signal, fair signal, selling NASDAQ. You can see as price was tanking, these were executions. And then the second trade, so what I showed you was the first trade up here. We also took this second trade on same NASDAQ. Let me quickly show that to you as well. So this was the first profit that we made, and then we took second entries. As you can see, we sold NASDAQ again, and this was the breakdown. I was executing this trade live with the team, and that's my entries. So let's break this trade down. I hope you are going to learn from it. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so let me start from the 15-minute chart. Okay, so I realized that NASDAQ has bought all the way up in premium, and I thought price should come to discount to mitigate this order block, okay, below 50% of the range. So my bias was bearish for today's New York AM session. Okay, so I opened my chart. There was news released at 8:30, right at 8:30 here. 8:30. So what 8:30 did was, after the news release, price swept this high here on NASDAQ, but on S&P 500, that high was kept intact. Let me show you. So there's the chart for US 500. You can see that this same high that was swept on NASDAQ, on the S&P 500, that high was not taken. So that's SMT divergence. So right away, I was looking for sales. I came down to the 1-minute chart on NASDAQ after the SMT divergence, which was caused by the 8:30 news release. You know, the news release is usually for manipulation, right? So 8:30 was right here, and it was right at 8:30 where we manipulated the high, which caused SMT divergence. So as we took the high, and I saw the SMT divergence, I was looking for market structure shift, and then the market structure shift happened right here. And then when price pulled back to the order block, we sold, stop loss up here, and then we took some decent risk to reward. On the left side, you can see we had all of these lows and then Asian lows. So we took full TPs at the Asian lows. Now the second trade, since my target was all the way to the 1 hour order block I showed you earlier on, let me go back to the 1 hour chart. You can see this is it, and that was my final target. So I was looking for re-entries to again push price to the order block to discount. So I saw that we have this 1-minute fair value gap. Price manipulated into the fair value gap. After the manipulation, what do you see? Market structure shifts right here. Price left a fair value gap behind. Price came back to the fair value gap. We sold from there. Our stop loss was up here. As price started breaking down, we moved stop loss here. We went break even when price broke down here. We took partials on this low and then full TP down here. Okay. So like I said, these are real executions like I showed you. And these are signals that I shared with my team as well. Selling NASDAQ, stop loss TP. We banged this full full profit. Okay, beautiful trades taken. So if you're not part of my Telegram, join. I also share free signals. Today I share free signals on a signal on gold. This was a gold signal that we took with a free community. Yeah, let me quickly show you the setup. So yeah, setup is so yeah, this was the setup for gold M5 cells free tip. So this was a free signal I shared on gold. And yeah, this was the progress for gold. And look at that, we hit full TP at the equal lows on gold. These were my executions on gold. So this is my free Telegram community. You can join, and I also share free setups on synthetic indices. So link in my description box, and like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys.